All right, there's the first one, the second one, and then we'll go back and find that stud again. So let's head into the unfinished part of my basement where the HVAC is. And as you can see right down here at about knee height, there are 2 electrical wires running the length of the wall. Today I'm in the bathroom. We're gonna install some floating shelves, and to do it, we're gonna use the Walabot DIY 2M. Got 1 stud, so we'll mark the center. There's another one. 1 more right there. That's kind of a weird spot for the stud, but the people who lived in the house before us switched the bathroom around, so. All right, found another one over here. But we're gonna run it in expert mode. All right, so there's the stud. There's the other stud. And 1 more. And yeah, I guess there's no pipe running through this wall. All right, so we should be good to drill into those spots. All right, so we successfully got this up with the Walabot. Okay, Father's Day is coming up before you know it. So if your dad is a DIYer, it zips right up. And it comes with this great storage bag.